I'm going to be making some breakfast for the family this morning. Caroline is taking care of baby. I'll probably do some coffee and then some pancakes. Gotta make sure we have the pancakes first. But yeah, so that'll be what we're doing. Put a little bit of cinnamon in here. 2 pinches or 1 pinch per half a cup of that stuff. And guys, women love it when we cook for them. Even though I'm not the best at cooks, she still likes it. You're good. You're good. We can edit it too. It's not live. We have just like it's like an R-rated scene going on here. Yeah. I got my batter, my pan. I went ahead and only did it to about 5 because I wanted to actually be able to not burn my stuff. So we will see how this works out here. Yay! It's not hot enough yet. Oopsie. Oopsie doopsie. 1, 2, 3. I guess I'll have to heat up while that's on there. That'll be my pancake. Warming up some milk for Caroline. She likes her hot chocolate hot, dude. Got empties in the freezer. A whole lot. So everything we were doing inside was inside. So got about this pancake and 1 more, and I'm gonna do some eggs for me. She doesn't like eggs, so I don't know, shame on her, right? That's it. Let me show you what it looks like. We have hers, which is she just eats pancakes. And I do a double layer egg and pancake. Then we'll obviously put syrup and stuff on it. So, hey, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.